How to schedule blog posts in Wix Studio. In order to do that, what we need to do is you just need to head over and then create your own blog post that you want. It needs to have a title and then just add in here some content. I have in here this particular blog post that I have created. And what we can do next for that is to click onto the three dots just beside the publish. Now you can see in here the save as draft and schedule post right here. So take note that the schedule post will not appear once you have already published a particular post. So click on the schedule post option right there and then just choose in here the time that you want to publish it. So I'll choose it here December 20 and I'll input it or publish it at around 2 p.m. So I'll type it right here and take note that you can see in here the time zone that it will follow. So it will follow the Asia or Manila time zone. Click on schedule right here in order to schedule that. So that's how you schedule blog posts in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.